Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to clean your clippers and basically just give them a little bit of a service. So tools you'll need for this is a brush and a little screwdriver. So we just start by taking these two screws off here. Then we'll just take these plates here. So as you can see, they do get pretty dirty. And that's from both. So what we'll do now is we'll just get a brush and we'll just clean all this off. Get a piece of paper towel there. Give them a little wipe. So with this, we just again give it a bit of a wipe through. In here, we've got a little bit of foam. Just put all the hair away. Now I would normally suggest replacing this. You can make these using just a bit of sponge, and then just literally cut around it, and then they fit nice and tightly into there. Just sits over this little plastic in here. So we just give that a good old clean, push in there, all that hair coming up. This will just make your clippers run a little bit more efficiently. We'll just put that one back on there. Now, smaller one, this one here, goes on first, just like so. And then obviously that one goes back on that way. Now, you just want to hold that too like that. And then you don't want to tighten these up too tight to start off with, because we just need to set the alignment and make sure they're not too tight together. So obviously you can see that still moves, so it's not tight at all. So what I tend to do is set it as low as you can go, pop it nice and low down, and then we're just going to bring it up just a little bit, and once you've set it nice and level, just try and show you there. Let it focus there a second. Will it focus? There we go. So as you can see, once it's like that, then we just tighten these back up. And then give them a quick wipe over. Don't forget your oil, and all literally do is just always oil your clippers. A bit of oil on them. And if we plug these in now, then we should see that they're working and they'll be absolutely fine. Perfect. And that's how you service a pair of clippers. So if you like these sort of videos, please subscribe, like, and press that notification bell, and we'll try and get more out to you.